We talk about identifying and clarifying objectives, identifying the needs and requirements, prevents and shortlist of vendors. So if you need to work with any external vendors or outsource, again, having an LMS tool will be very easy for you to manage. Otherwise, it's extremely difficult for you to remember. Also, in case there's a churn in the talent in the organization, we don't want that information to go out with the person who leaves. But if there's an LMS tool which is with the firm, which is the organization's property, whether the individual is coming and going, that information stays there, right? Which obviously makes it easier for anybody coming and going to know on like the entire process from beginning to end, the life cycle of an employee. When they joined, what has been their performance review, what has been their feedback, which trainings have you been attending, and their exit process. Okay, so then we talk about developing an issue rep and talk about reviewing and score responses. So we don't just want to do the training and identify it. It's important for us to take feedback to know where the individual stands today versus tomorrow, and looking at it from a micro and not just a macro point of view. And conducting demonstrations, conducting more trainings is the way to go.